CAT 2022, Slot 2 Quantitative Aptitude question number 16. 5 students, including Amit, appear for an examination in which possible marks are integers between 0 and 50, both inclusive. The average marks for all the students is 38 and exactly 3 students got more than 32. If no 2 students got the same marks and Amit got the least marks among 5 students, then the difference between highest and lowest possible marks of Amit. So this is one variety which is a favorite, and you will see such questions very often in CAT. The question itself is simple if you approach it logically. The first thing you've got to recognize is that the average mark of 5 students, let us say Amit is A, and the other 4 students are B, C, D, and E. So if their average mark is 38, the total marks must be 5 into 38, that is 190. So average marks for all is 38, so the total marks are 190. And the lowest and the highest marks are 0, 50. And there are 3 students whose marks are greater than 32, not greater than equal to, but greater than 32. You have to find the difference between the highest and the lowest possible marks of Amit. Now, when will Amit get the lowest marks? Amit is going to get the lowest marks if the others get the highest possible. For example, there are 3 students getting more than 32. Let us say C, D, and E are those people who get 50, 49, and 48 marks. Mind you, no 2 students have the same marks. Obviously, the 4 students can get 32 marks. And these are the highest possible marks for the remaining 4 people. So, if we have the highest possible marks for the remaining people, we will get the lowest possible mark for Amit. So, Amit's marks plus 32 plus 50 plus 49 plus 48 must be equal to 190, which means the minimum possible marks for Amit here, so we get 96, 97, 147, 179. So A is 11. This is the minimum possible for Amit. Now, what is the maximum possible score for Amit? Now, we know that 3 people have more than 32, so they ought to get more than 32. So, if the 4th person gets 32, the maximum possible marks that Amit can get is 31. All we need to do is, we have to just check whether if I substitute Amit's marks as 31 here, and the 4th student, who does not get more than 32 as 32, can we get the score of the remaining 3 people according to the conditions given? So this is equal to 190. So C plus D plus E. Now I have assumed that the maximum possible that Amit can get is 31, and he indeed can get 31 as the maximum possible. So the remaining 3 will get 190 minus 63. So C plus D plus E is equal to 127. So can all of them get more than 32 marks? Easily. So we can have a situation where 2 people have got 40 and 41 marks, and the 3rd person has 46. This is one of the possibilities for CDE. But one thing is certain, that CDE, all of them definitely get more than 32. So we do not violate any condition. There are 3 students getting more than 32, and Amit has the least score of all the 5, that is 31. So this happens to be the maximum score for Amit, and 11 happens to be the minimum score for Amit. So difference between his maximum and minimum score should be 20. That is the answer.